Man, this tractor wheel hub is nasty. We need to get in here, get it replaced, get it fixed up, get it re-greased, and get it reinstalled. Let's get to it, guys. All right, so here's the hub right here. I'm gonna try to pound this thing off and re-grease the hub and get in there and clean all the old grease and all that stuff out and put some fresh stuff in there. So, oh, no way. All right, well, that's why we're doing this. Because, yeah. Oh, it's got roller bearings. What the heck? Oh. Yeah. Okay. Now you know what 40-year-old grease looks like. We'll get it cleaned up, don't worry. So they didn't put grease fittings on the middle of the hub, but they put it on everything else. So that one stayed behind. Man. All right, I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up and get all this old gunk out of here and yeah, get it freshened up with some new grease. So this tractor's weird. It's got ball bearings for the wheel hubs. I know, right? I guess because it's two-wheel drive, it's not meant to hold that much weight, but it gets the job done. All right, guys, so we got the spindle all cleaned up here. Brand new cotter pin, spindle clean, and it's got this weird knurled texture in the back to hold the rear bearing on. That's pretty cool. But I got the dirt and stuff out of here. So let's check out the hub real quick. We got the hub, so it goes bearing, this shim thing. This is how I took it apart. And then the oil seal. So these oil seals are impossible to find locally. I'll post links in the description to them. They're 32 times 55 times 11 metric oil seals. And I got all the bearings repacked with Lucas Red and Tacky. Got it done, let's get installed. Guys, you don't have to buy OEM oil seals for this old stuff. You can figure out what the size is. You can go online and just order that size metric oil seal or standard oil seal. A little bit of grease, not too much. I like Lucas Red and Tacky, that's what I use. Oh yeah, she's running good now, steering good now, no problems. Check you on the next one. Later.